Hello everyone, Brian Smedley here, and I'm going to show you how to properly fold a shirt. This is especially for all the men out there. And and if you're a husband, you don't want to get in trouble with your mate. Because if you fold it wrong, if you do this, I'm done, honey. That ain't going to cut it. She's going to take it, throw it right back up in your face. The proper way to fold a shirt that was taught to me so I would not get in trouble anymore. Really simple. Find the front of the shirt. That's easy. Either you have a picture or the label to the back. That's very rudimentary. Very fundamental. You find the edge where the shoulder meets the sleeve. You pick that side up and you pick that side up. There you go. Go backwards. Grab that neck. Grab that sucker, bring it up. Give it a little shake. Turn them sleeves in. And she taught me the roll method. Put it against your chest and roll down. Just like that. Then you're done. It saves space on your shelf. Another way you can do this. You do the same method. Grab that neck, pop it up. Sleeves in. Find about the middle and fold once. Do it again. Fold once. Then you can put it on your shelf. But I also like to do another fold. Fold like that. And then you're done. Or you could do it another little square. Then you're done. Just whatever floats your boat. So if you don't want to get in trouble, guys, do it that way. Thanks for watching.